sirs.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like, girl, my neck could drop all the way to my damn feet.
You know when
vampires, this right here.
You know when vampires try to take the neck off and
the girl, it's like just marshmallows now, like clouds. Come on, Dr. Shalabi, we gotta do this side. Oh, Jazzy, you should get this.
Girl, I told you.
Oh my gosh.
I thought your head fell on the floor. I thought your fucking head fell on the floor.
Oh my God.
Oh, I thought your head fell on the floor.
Oh, girl.
I told you, what did I say you was going to be?
Girl, the way, girl.
Loose as a goose.
You take tips? Because I'm going to tip you, young man. Oh, shit. Shoot.
People,
oh my gosh, Jazzy, it's like no weight. Like my head don't feel heavy. Oh, look at that, girl. My head never can move this fast.
I don't know. I couldn't help it.
Oh, God, I want to cry, but I'm not going to cry because I got eyelashes on. Oh. Girl, I've been
got longer.
I just bit my lip.
Girl, you did it so fast I didn't even.
Girl, you never know these kinks need to be worked out like this.
Girl, you just got an inch taller.
I got chills. Oh my gosh. Girl.
We need to be people with little man syndrome here. You can get them taller, girl.
Oh my gosh, Jazzy.
Fast.
You felt like it come all through, like.
It looks like he gave you a little bit of hip, girl.
Take a deep breath in.
Ready?
And out.
Did that hurt?
Oh shit, girl, I don't know what it was. Oh, it's like something released through my chest. Okay, stop laughing. Shut up. Okay.
Take a deep breath in. And out.
You sound like a little piglet.
It's the fluid draining out the middle between the parts, girl.
This is Dr. Shalabi to me.
He is giving me so much life right now. Girl, by the time he gets to the bottom of this spine, all my boo-boo gonna be out.
You know, when he pull you up by that neck.
Oh my gosh, it's like, you wanna know what's crazy, Jazzy? Is from where he started and up feels different from the end point and down. Like you could feel
your body. I keep my little stiff ass stiff.
Oh!
I don't even know what the fuck to say.
Girl.
Your boots look nice in this video.
Oh my god. Jazzy.
I'm not doing that. Sorry.
You have to. Oh. It's so much relief.
Look how he just laid back like, don't let you do that.
Look at his legs. He ain't playing. Jazzy. Oh, Dr. Shalabi, can you please come to California? Can you come on? I will book you out. I will have you so booked out. Come on, once a month.
Oh. I heard that.
Oh. Oh my gosh. This got me crying.
You felt good?
Girl, it feels so good. It feels so good. This is like, I can't even describe what this
Girl,
is
look
like.
like you got a BBL down right now. Like,
Do I look, girl, like you said, that Dr. Shalabi body.
Dr. Shalabi body.
You gotta get that foam roller, Jesse.
Ooh, come on now.
Oh,
That's something I'm scared the neck is gonna come off.
oh, Jazzy. I feel like I don't have nothing in here but soft stuff.
Well, there's bones in there.
I know. It's so lightweight. Like my head, and you know my head is heavy.
Oh, you have to get on your neck strap.
Oh my gosh.
Deep breath in. And out.
Oh!
She was scared that time. You got a new body?
Girl, did you?
Then you got a new body.
It just went like 13 inches
You
elongated.
get taller.
Girl.
Oh my God, Dr. Shalabi, I want to be tall.
Oh my God.
Feel good?
Oh, it's like vibrating on the back of my neck. Y'all gotta come to Dr. Shalabi. Get that alignment. Get your neck right. Get your body right. Mind, body, spirit. 3 in 1. You gonna get that here. Okay? I'm going to get my pizza. Whew.